In this video, we're going to look at how to insert a new row in Excel using VBA. In this example, we're going to be using this table here that lists fruit and vegetables, quantity, and its unit price. And what we're going to do here is to insert a new row in row 5, just under lemon, using VBA. So let's go ahead and open the Visual Basic Editor in Excel, and we'll do this through a shortcut method by pressing Alt F11. And then we're going to create a new module, and we'll start off by naming the subroutine. So that's sub space insert underscore row, and then press the enter key. We'll now declare the worksheet variable, that's dim ws as worksheet, and then we're going to set this to the data worksheet. So that's set ws equals worksheets, and we're just going to reference the data worksheet in here. So that's data. We're going to enclose that in double quotation marks and close the parentheses. This is because the table in which we want to insert a new row is located in the data worksheet. The next step is to nominate where we want to insert a new row. This can be achieved by referencing to a specific cell or by referencing to an entire row. In this example, we'll simply reference to one of the cells in row 5, given that we want to insert a new row in row 5. So let's go ahead and reference to cell A5. So that's ws.range, open parentheses, and we're just going to reference to A5, and we're going to enclose that in double quotation marks and then close the parentheses. And now we'll just enter the code that adds a new row, which is .entire row .insert. And that's it. We can now go ahead and run this VBA code. So let's go into the Developer tab and select the macro options, which will display a macro dialog box. And in there, select insert underscore row macro and click the run button. And that's it. VBA has now inserted a new row in row 5. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.